This is the Cibola Trigo herd management area down here. We're just south of Blythe, California. We're down here to lower the number of burros in the population so that we are closer to our appropriate management level. We have a really unique situation down here with the Cibola and Imperial Wildlife Refuges because those areas are managed for wildlife, and they allow burro utilization to occur in those refuge areas. We have a working relationship with them on allowing burro utilization so that we have a viable, healthy herd down here in Yuma. If the population becomes too high of burros down here, then we have excessive utilization on certain key species of vegetation that are needed for wildlife. And basically how it works is that a contractor comes in after we complete the NEPA process where we do an environmental assessment. We meet a contractor down here at the potential trap sites. We have some suggestions that we give them through the EA, and basically the contractor gets to choose the sites that he wants to use, but we have a resource team that will be on the ground with him so that we can advise them on whether or not it's acceptable from the resources side. Then once we have an acceptable area for the traps, the contractor goes out and sets up wing traps, which are basically a makeshift corral with wings that go out in each direction about 100 yards. And they usually set these in some type of valley or wash or something so that the animals will be naturally funneled in. Once this process and this trap has all been set up, then a helicopter takes off and they'll locate animals. And they'll move them in at a slow pace. And then you'll have wranglers that are on the sides, kind of hiding behind trees or bushes or rocks. And then once they get close enough, those wranglers jump in and do the final push into the wing traps. Then once the animals get into the wing traps, their gates are closed and they're basically in the corrals. Then we'll load them into trailers and move them over to a temporary holding facility that we've set up where they are provided with food and water and a rest period before they're transported to the actual holding facilities where they're prepped for adoption. We have a veterinarian on site that roves between the trap and the holding that we have, and the veterinarians make sure that the animals are in healthy condition and that they're safe during the transportation process and that they're healthy enough to be transported to the permanent holding facility where they're prepped for adoption.